Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, check out the new scene with NPCs, VFX graph effects, and hotspot detections by Bohemian Pulp. Hey. Sodas are cool, but beers are way better. By Gil. Having Fun Making Clouds by Adam Sampson. The wings of the butterflies are animated in the vertex shader, depending on their position in space, by Max. Puzzles available in Age of Rust. City Racing by ROCKETJUICEGAMES. Fighting Kobolds by RetroForge Games. Razor Sharp Realities, experimenting with point sorting and geometry extrusions by RUBENFRO. Here's some scout footage by D.E.E.P. Test 465 hand tracking on Oculus Quest by Wenzy. First AI tests are going really well by Wreckers Game Studios. Work in progress of a new area in HippoX by LittlePixelGames. Playing around in debug mode with scan lines on and blooms ant pretty high by Fat Pug Studios. Here's Rem the chef cooking up a tasty treat for Reggie by ODDBUGSTUDIO. A diorama of the alleys of Tokyo with a cyberpunk-inspired cinematic lighting by RUBENFRO. New additions to the War Strider by Project Sky. I would not try to fight this guy, he's got some skills, by Street Hero Games. Lighting test by B-Cube Labs. Can't have a street racing game set in Tokyo without some big body sedans by Night Runners. Some kind of shield thing for VFX Friday by Mr. B. Jensen. Testing a new weapon in Knights of Exile by Don Julio Games. Shibuya color sampling by Tanaka. All effects and gameplay are still in development by Pocket Bravery. Finally got KZR's low latency audio framework set up by Steven. Protagonist and dateable character Yuna by FKK Cloud. Finally, a local multiplayer game show game where you're part of a crazy set of obstacle races involving physical challenges in Olympics by KOALA Games. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.